go and borrow this money out of your policy at 0% in most cases. Borrow from yourself. So welcome back to Stress Less Financial Channel. For those who are new to our channel, I'm David Hadley. Today we're going to be discussing a little bit of information about fixed index annuities as well as infinite banking policies. We're going to discuss about what these vehicles are and how they can be used in real estate or even just being your own bank in general to have something to borrow against and cut the bank out who's taken all of your money in most deals you're gonna do. We're gonna break down a little bit more about how a participating whole life policy, also known as an infinite banking policy, is a strategic vehicle for real estate, because people oftentimes, they leave a pile of money in their bank and they want it liquidable. They are saving up for a down payment on a house, or they're getting ready to buy anything for that matter, and they have to take that cash out of their bank. Or if they don't necessarily have the money, then they're gonna have to take a loan. And loan rates go up and down all the time, but right now if you went and got a loan on a house, you're looking at 8, 9, 10% interest, which is insane. Some people are doing awesome things like seller finance, and they're already thinking and they're using their heads now, and they're actually cutting out the banks, and they're going and buying these houses. But sometimes you still need cash for some of these deals if you're gonna buy the house. Now, the advantage to an infinite banking policy is that, one, you put your 10 grand in or your 100 grand in, and you find a comfortable amount that you can continue to pay every month if you want to continue to fund it, or you can do a one-time lump sum, dump this money into here and have your policy. Now, let's say you have $100,000 in this example. You can go and borrow this money out of your policy at 0% in most cases. Borrow from yourself. And if you were to die, not having that money in there, you're still leaving behind a tax-free death benefit. If you got ill or injured, there's living benefits associated with these policies that would actually start paying you every month in some way, shape, or form. And when you're ready to pay your policy back, you're paying it back at 0% loans on there. You're not paying an 8, 9% loan like you would at the bank. So there's not just the advantage to, cutting the bank out and saving the money there, but you pass away, you're transferring a tax-free death benefit because there's a life insurance policy associated with it, and there's no tax on that loan because it's a loan. Now, where a fixed index annuity comes into real estate is really for the people that are in the exiting phases of real estate. They're getting ready to sell their houses. They don't want to deal with the management anymore of managing their houses, or, whether they're doing it themselves or even having to communicate with the people that are managing it. There's always maintenance to do, and it takes people's time. People want to get out of the real estate game. They can turn their house into an income stream that they can't outlive. They can annuitize their house. They sell the house, they got $500,000. You're able to take your $500,000 and turn it into an income stream that you cannot outlive. Depending on what your age is and the state you're in is going to totally depend on how much you can get every month. Great vehicles for an exiting phase on real estate. Where you wouldn't use the annuity is if you needed a lot of liquidity, especially in the beginning. You're not going to have that same liquidity like you will with an infinite banking policy. You want to learn more about how to do this, then you need to book a call with us. We're very educational. We can tailor some illustrations and information around your circumstances so you have something to read on your own time and digest. And if this is something that's a viable solution for you, then we'll take the next steps and discuss those at that time. We look forward to speaking with you. If you like this kind of content, especially if you're getting ready for retirement, these topics about annuities or finances are important to you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you want to see more of. And we look forward to sending our next video out to you.